Hi, welcome to Creative Ninja. Today I am gonna show you how to make your custom hoodie mockup. Visit our website. Go to Mockup menu. Click on Hoodie Mockup. Download mockup file. Extract zip file. Open PSD file. Double-click on link layer. Replace your logo or artwork. Save link file. Your artwork is placed automatically. Your mockup is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thanks.